All thanks to Atli and Priya because this is one of my favorite characters. Can I say that? Yeah. Yeah.
Be open. It's all yours. Come on.
Yeah, so this is one of my favorite character that is been played before, and to have me in this film, thank you so much, Atli. We've been friends for a very long time, but this is the first time I got to work with Atli and Priya, and hopefully the next time in his direction and not just his production. Thank you, Atli, and thank you, Murad Bhai and team. And Bhamika, I love her work from this film called Goda in Malayalam. She was brilliant in that. And uh, yeah, she's a boxer in that. Sorry, wrestler, sorry. So very happy that we are in the same film. And Varun, his energy is great. He's a great actor. But I feel this time in Baby John, I think you all are going to see a very different Varun Dhawan. And I'm very, very excited for you, Varun. And Kali's, yeah, Kali's, I think if we give him a chance, he'll ask me to shoot even now. But his efforts and all his hard work, it's all going to be worth it. Thank you, Kalis. I've learned a lot from you, and that's more important. So thank you so much, and thank you all. We need all your support. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for sharing all of that. Vamik,
Nitin,
I'll quickly.
I just want to add that at least you're looking very handsome today.
He's always handsome.
No, but आज
Thank you.
आज आप कुछ अलग ही लग रहे हो. First time seeing you in the suit boot, मतलब you're looking very handsome
I
today.
think because he's sitting
Producer,
here. Priya.
producer avatar, sir. Producer avatar.
Right, Vamika, there's a lot of positivity और ये bonding बड़ी कमाल की दिख रही है पहले दिन से, while when we saw the first look और उसके बाद से अब तक. Talk to us about this entire journey अभी, because 7 दिन रह गए हैं, बस release को तैयार हैं हम.
आई नो मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ. मुझे किसी ने ना बहुत पहले बोला था कि अगर आपको समझना हो कि कोई डायरेक्टर कैसा है या कोई राइटर कैसा है, यू वॉच देयर फिल्म्स, you'll know what he believes in. So if you'll see Atli sir's films, the female characters in his films are so strong, and that shows that how much he appreciates the women in his life. And even in this film, even in this, while shooting for this film, ये कुछ अलग एक्सपीरियंस था मेरे लिए. इतने खूबसूरत लोग हैं ये लोग दिल से, इतने सिक्योर हैं, इतना प्यार है इनके अंदर. I feel so lucky that I got a chance to work with them. My first meeting with Atli sir, he inspired me ki how important it is to be a good person. And I think even in our film, you'll see that the main focus is that how important it is to be a good person, how important it is, how important good upbringing is. So I think it shows what he believes in, what Kali sir believes in. It was a blast working with Kali sir, first of all, I have to tell you.
You want to imitate him?
No, no, Varun. But it was amazing. It was one of a kind of an experience. I always wanted to work with Murad sir. I am so happy that we are working together. I'm very grateful and thankful. It has been an incredible experience working with Varun and Kirti. Kirti के साथ मेरे इतने scenes नहीं हैं, but the love that I feel from her is just how do you have so much love in your heart? I love it. Thank you so
She
much.
just got married ना, तो होता है. निकलता है प्यार.
It just,
शादी के
you
बाद.
know, वरुण के बारे में मैंने जितना मैं जानती थी through films or interviews, when I worked with him, I understood what a beautiful human being he is. Never, you know, generally when you work with a star who has done so many films and has a name, it can be very intimidating. But he made sure that I feel super comfortable so that I can give my 100% on set, and it was amazing. Thank you so much for being
Thank
so
you.
nice.
Likewise.
But Atli sir, thank you.
Thank
You have no idea how much I've learned from you, the kind of personality you are. I think one thing that I'm going to really take away from this experience is you. The empathy, the love that you have for everyone and everyone's journey. Thank you for inspiring me. It's beautiful.
Thank you.
I
Thank you,
mean,
Amika.
thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so
I
much.
love you, Priya ma'am. And Zara, I love you.
Oh, that was cute. Priya ma'am, I'll quickly come to you. Murad sir, मैं आपके पास भी आने वाला हूँ. Talk to us about this entire ये जो bonding है. You know, this is what we are talking right now. It's Christmas celebration, festivities हैं. Talk to us about it, please.
Hi everybody. We are very, very, very happy to be here in the first place because this is like a dream come true for us because